potentially buying a new car today. We're here at Nath Motors in Nottingham. Made the journey all the way up from London, 2.5 hours. Here to buy a new BMW. It's not here yet, but when it is, I'll give you a sneak peek of potentially my new car. But for now, I say goodbye to this beauty. Had her for over 16 months now, and honestly, it was such a nice car to drive. Especially with all the mods that I did. Front splitter, as you can see there. The blue pipes inside. M4 mirror caps and the roof. But honestly, I love this car and really don't want to say goodbye to it. But I think the next car, which you'll see soon, is worth it. I'll probably see my new car at the back. But let's take you to it. So, goodbye 4 Series and hello 8 Series. For ourselves, a much needed upgrade. Beautiful car. Love the wheels. But I'm a massive fan of the back. It's been one of our cars that we wanted for a while and gone and got it. But let me show you the interior, which is what I'm most excited about. Just check out that orange leather. Looks amazing. There's the back. New iDrive system. But yeah, I'll do a much better interior look in a bit. But yeah, that's the new car. So here's the inside of the 8 Series. Pretty nice interior. I think this interior is a 3.5k optional upgrade. So you've got the orange seats, which I'm a big fan of actually. Just used to normal black seats as well, so I think it just makes it stand out a lot more, pops out. You've got your glove compartment in here, opens both ways. A nice iDrive system that's much bigger compared to the 4 Series. One thing this car does like though is the crystal gear knob selection thingy along with the buttons. So this one, I think, hopefully there's a way to upgrade it, but if not, I'm pretty happy with how this one looks. And then I've also got the virtual cockpit, which I've wanted forever in a car. And I finally have it, and I'm not sure if it shows, but you can see there the heads-up display, which I'm a massive fan of, and it just makes driving so much easier because you don't really need to look at the cockpit anymore. So it's basically just looking at that the HUD. So that's pretty nice. And then you've got the new, I don't know which iDrive system this is, but yeah, works really nice. So here's the back of the car. You've got the centerpiece here, which has a couple of USB-C ports. You've got your AC for both sides. Nice back part here. Got your cup holders, which are quite handy. You've got bins here. Excuse the sandals. You've also got ambient lighting. I don't think they'll show up now because it's quite light, but yeah, that is another thing that I was proper excited to have as well. This you can take down so you can go inside the boot, which I'll show you in a bit. Let's put that up. Seats at the back are really comfortable, and you've got plenty of leg space at the back as well, depending on how tall you are. Me being Asian, I'm a bit on the shorter side, so leg space isn't an issue for me. Here's the boot. It's nice and long, so you can put in quite a bit. Excuse all the crap in the boot. Got a cleaning bucket there that I probably need to bin, and a football just in case you ever want to play that. But yeah, the boot is nice. With the 4 Series, the entire back window also lifted up, so it's just right now this top part, which I'm not a fan of, but oh well. But yeah, that's a look at the brand new car. Let me know what you guys think. I love the color. I think it's a special name for it, Sonic Blue or something. The front grills look really nice. I think the silver chrome and the blue just matches perfectly. Tires are quite nice as well. You got your blue brake calipers. But yeah, really happy with the purchase. Sad to see the 4 Series go, but it is what it is.